Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to use copper wire to remove components from a PCB board. With the help of the Andonstar microscope, add to 10. To demonstrate the dismantling process, let's quickly solder it first. It is not a good method to directly use an electric soldering iron to remove this multi-pin component. We can cut a suitable length of copper wire and fold it twice so that it can come into contact with each pin. Then add a large amount of tin to this copper wire. Take turns heating the copper wires on both sides, and the tin on the pins will melt completely, causing the components to naturally fall off. If the component does not fall off, you can also use tools such as tweezers to pull it. In this way, we successfully removed the inline component. If you have any other good idea, you can leave a message below. Thanks for watching.